Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox Premium not available. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So if you're using a your mobile device or laptop, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay? So let's get started. So as you can see right now that there are three available on my account. Okay. So let's just say, for example, that the 1,000 per month and 2,200 per month subscription is not available. What you can do is to just go ahead and click on the 450 right here. Okay, just go ahead and trust me with this one. So if you want the 1,000 per month, what you need to do is to click on the URL right here and change the number from 480 to 481. And as you can see, it will redirect me on the Roblox Premium 1,000. And if you want the 2K or 2,200 Premium, what you need to do is to change the number again from 481 to 482. And there you have it. Okay, so just go ahead and try that, and that should fix Roblox Premium not available. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.